Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Naveen and today in this video I am going to say in detail about Diploma in Pharmacy course and what are the eligibility for pursuing this Diploma in Pharmacy course and what are the duration of this course and what are the career opportunities, that is jobs and further education that you can pursue with the Diploma in Pharmacy course. So don't wait and let's get into today's video. Friends, today in this video we're going to know about Diploma in Pharmacy course, the complete details, course structure, etc. as I said at the starting of the video. Friends, Diploma in Pharmacy is an entry-level course in pharma profession. As the name indicates, Diploma, it is a short-term course and the duration of the course is 2 years. That is, this course involves 2 academic years. Friends, coming to the next question that raises in our mind, who can pursue this course? Friends, in order to pursue this course, you should have completed your higher secondary education in science stream. That is, you must have studied the following subjects during your higher secondary education. That is physics, chemistry, biology or maths. And I can say in simply that you must have completed your 10 plus 2, that is science stream or intermediate examination as of some states, and this is the minimum qualification for studying this course. And coming to details of the course structure, friends, this is a 2 years course as I said before, and it involves two parts. Part 1, that is first year, and part 2, that is second year. And each year has a 180 plus working days for each year. And getting into final thing that along with these 2 years you must have 500 hours practical training for at least 3 months. And these are the subjects which are included during first year: pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, biochemistry and clinical pathology, etc. And these are the subjects which are involved during second year: pharmaceutics 2, pharmaceutical chemistry 2, etc. And friends, these subjects include both theory, that is, this course involves both theory and practical exams. Mostly it is practical oriented, and if you fail in a theory subjects, you should have to attempt again both theory and practicals at the time of examinations. And if you fail more than two subjects, you are debarred. And coming to the next thing, after successful completion of the 2 years of this course, you can register yourself as a registered pharmacist, that is PCA registration, and you can become self-employed or you can work anywhere. So let us get into details of what after diploma in pharmacy. You can opt for a job as I said before, or you can continue your further education, that is in B Pharmacy. After completion of this course, you can write a lateral entry exam in order to pursue B Pharmacy course. You are directly selected into second year of B Pharmacy course. And what are the job opportunities for this diploma in pharmacy course? You can work as a hospital pharmacist. You can also apply for government pharmacist posts. If you select, you can get the job. And you can also work in pharmaceutical companies and can work in pharmacy or self-employed as a registered pharmacist. Friends, these are the details. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and share this video with your friends.